Hello guys, this is Billy. As you can see guys, just behind there is a wall tent, 11 feet by 11 feet. The wall tent usually they are set up during winter time mostly because there is a wood stove in it, so it makes the shelter very warm. Alright, go. So first of all, well, I will do just the bed. The bed has to be very close to the wood stove because when you get up at night, oh man, I've done it many times, okay? When you get up at night, you don't want to be too far, okay? To put some wood in it. I've got two piles for bedding. One pile, it's big boughs, okay? Big branches, you know how big they are? Like, bigger. This goes at the bottom, and the fine one, the small one, the smaller one, I'm gonna put it on the top. Alright, the bed is done. Woo! I love it. What I will need now is just to put a blanket on the top. It will prevent me to get, you know, the moisture, the humidity from the branches up to my body. And I guess that would be great. So it took me about, let's say, 20 minutes to do it. And it's very comfortable. Oh, I love it. Oh. Alright, the stove. This is a very nice little stove that I got from Rioux Tent. It's a company where they make wall tents like this one. This is where I got my wall tent. This is where I got it. And this little stove, well, it's a gift from Guy, from the owner of Rioux Tent. Well, thanks Guy. Really appreciate it. So I will put the link just down below of Rioux Tent if you want to have a look, guys. So this little stove is very light, you know, about 10, not even 10 pounds. Can remove the top, cook in it on, you know, the flame, so it's very good to fry. I tried it for about 10 days, and sometimes it was very hot, like 10 days non-stop, and it was good. Actually, I really like this stove. There is snow underneath, okay? So if I just light my stove on the snow, it will melt. So this is what I do. Nails, okay, on the corner, just to make sure it won't move. This is so important, guys. You don't want the stove to move. That's so important. This is, well, if there is one thing, you know, you can learn on this video, it's the wood stove needs to be fixed all the time. Okay? So sometimes, you know, you can put some metal sheet. People put metal sheet underneath. Got some metal sheet. But no, I just fix it, and the nail is not all the way down. Okay, it has to be easy, you know, to remove it with an axe. You know, I just have an axe, so you just have, it needs to be very easy to remove. All right, and now I'm ready to build a fire inside, and it would be great. It's very warm inside. It doesn't take too long, guys. It's 5 minutes. And it's very warm. Oh. Very cozy. smell the spruce wood. Bit of smoke. Ah. Well, now I'm ready for a nap, guys. Whew. Alright guys, so thanks a lot for watching again. That was Billy in my wall tent. Well, sub to my channel guys, as always. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks a lot again for watching. I really appreciate guys, your comments. Appreciate everything guys from you. Thanks a lot guys. Thumb up if you like it. And see you next time for another video. Well, live your passion, live the adventure. Hey. Woo!